Alright, so I thought of a little upgrade here, because that is hard to carry all the time into the truck there, you know. So I'm going to put her on there, wind her on up, make it nice and easy, hopefully. Oh, I guess I'll show you guys how to do this, just in case your father's never loved you or something. Just kidding, guys. There we go. Oh yeah. Now, my neighbor, the plumber, says to make this go opposite the threads you're gonna spin, but who the hell knows what that means, am I right? No, is this not big enough? I'm an idiot. That's your tutorial for the day, folks. Okay, new plan. We'll do this on this side, and I'll do this on the pump side. That ought to work. Come on, you little freaking hussy. Freaking charlatan. It's like old timey cuss words, you know. Freaking scarlet. Harleton. Okay. I don't feel like that's on at all, but okay. Let's get her going. Oh, that's good. I feel like that's not gonna come out. This is a nightmare, guys. Alright. Alright, there we go. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. I feel like this is so wrong. It's gonna backfire on me later for sure. Okay. Alright, let's go see if this fits the pump before I get too far along with this. Trying not to slip over here. Oh my god. See, I told y'all. Oh, that little hill's slick. Okay, let's see here. Oh. There's the she shed we're building. Okay, let's see this pump. Whoa. Oh, she's working. And that's how you freaking do that, guys. Hell yeah. Now I can put the male in there. And my female wrapped up in that one thing. Make it easy. Okay, now we'll put that male on there. No. Now we'll put whatever. You guys know what I'm doing. We're gonna wrap it up now. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Look, here's the inside of the she shed. Oh, window. Women, I love windows, let me tell you. It's always, no, honey, this is too dark. This is a basement. Let me out of this dark room. Oh. Okay, there we go. Oh, this thing's gonna be awesome when it really is working. This thing's so hard to carry and shit. Always does this to me. See, this will go on the pump side now. Untangled, perfect. It's like the first day of spring. I'm counting it. It's 50 degrees a day. Up from negative 30 like 3 weeks ago. So that's awesome. Okay, let's see here. Yes, this thing is the best idea. Okay. Now we're talking, get that little thing out. Come on, don't do this to me. Oh yeah, reel it in. Nice and easy. Not even knotted at all. Look at that. Not even knotted. And there we go. All wrapped up. All right, let's see how my upgraded version does here. No, I did it again with the lid thing. I go through these lids so fast, I always forget to put them back on. Got like 4 extra ones now, luckily. Okay. That's good. Alright, see if it works. Ruh-roh. It's working, kinda. Might get the channel locks, I guess. God dang. Hey, welcome back to Ice Road Water Haulers, where we haul water on icy roads.